Doing video. Oh, okay, ready? No, we're not going clothes shopping.
But it's right there. There's Chris. He thinks he's some kind of cinematographer or something. Welcome back to the channel.
We're here in Norfolk, Connecticut, and I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola.
And we stumbled upon this park. You can walk along the river, and there's also a park behind us. So let's see what it offers. She was walking away.
Nice little walk along the river here.
Ooh. Beautiful, right?
It is.
Nothing like the smell of boat fumes in the morning. Let's get your blood pumping.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's a formidable scent. It stings the nostrils.
No, it's gorgeous. The sun is shining. Can't ask for anything else. We're loving it. Had to share with you guys. Gain some altitude. We came across. I'm not sure what that is.
Sorry, the highway's loud.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It looks like you put like pylons in or something maybe. But I want to show you guys. So now we're higher up. There's the water down there, the views. And there's another one of those little, what are they?
I don't know.
Groundhog, woodchuck things. I'll show you. No, we're not going clothes shopping.
But it's right there.
You wanna go down the steps?
Yeah, let's go down.
All right. Pretty crazy. Okay, I mean, if you were gonna go clothes shopping, you might as well. Convenient. It's a fun little park. They look good?
All right, so we just finished, what was it? Oyster Shell Park?
I honestly didn't know. I didn't look. Didn't say anything.
All right, now I think we're gonna do the Norwalk River Valley
Trail. They have kids, there's a little playground.
Here we go. We're gonna head this way.
Breathed in my face. So back there, can you see where you were? That's the park we were at, all the way over there. So it's another perspective.
We did oystering back here, so that's why it's called Oyster Shell Park.
You used to do a lot of oystering? Yeah. Makes sense. Northeast. Lobsters, oysters.
I think someone's fishing.
Oh, is that what it is? I just saw something move. I was like, oh, someone jumped out of the water. That's just somebody's lure. So what are we going to do next?
Let's just walk around the town a little bit.
All right, let's check it out.
We have the aquarium to our left. And we're continuing on the walk. Apparently the opposite direction. Look at that tower. Are you sure we can't go to the aquarium?
I mean, I don't see a door. That is the aquarium right there. And we're just on the
IMAX theater.
IMAX theater part of it. IMAX theater. Here's a little boat you can go on.
Oh,
But look at this. I just love this train trestle thing. And yes, that's the technical term for it. For sure, I read that somewhere. Oh, pigeons are dive bombing.
little history. Sheffield Island Lighthouse Ferry. Trying to do the Harbor River walk, but somehow it was going away from the water. So now we're crossing a field to try to get towards the water.
I mean, I think it was a good idea. We were going to try and walk down and see if there was anything. Then we said, heck with it. We're just crossing the field. It's weird how my hat this way, isn't it? It's blocking the sun. While the rest of me crisps. There's art here.
This is what I have to deal with, people. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave a comment down below.
Whatever it takes. we gotta
Lots
show,
of boats.
We gotta show them the art.
Yeah, we will.
The boats, the view. The hell with the art or the boats, the view.
All right, we're getting to it. Now I think I want some oysters. After reading all those signs. Yeah. Might have to stop in a place somewhere over here. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't think anything's open yet. Gonna have to wait a while. All right, let's keep going exploring.
So we're leaving the park, and Ola made us switch the sides of the road just so we get that little patch of shade right here. Just this little patch of shade, that's all. That's all we need. But
I'm turning into a lobster.
Lobster. Holy man. We're gonna try to cross the road here. I don't know about that.
There's a crosswalk.
Over there. All right, we'll flip you over on the bridge.
We just crossed the bridge, and as we got to the other side, it's gonna go down. There's Chris. He thinks he's some kind of cinematographer or something. Just trying to get the boat. Oh, it's turning. So we're gonna end the video here. We just did like a little walk around the town. Pretty
Yeah,
cute.
it's fun.
A lot of oyster history.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. And they did a restoration project to keep everything kind of the way it used to be back in the old days. I'm sorry, it's
I
a better
forgot
way
the
to say
year.
that. 1977 is when they did it. I don't know when it was supposed to replicate, but as always, we want to appreciate you guys for coming along with us. We hope you enjoyed the little bit of park, the little bit of the view, the train, everything. So
We'll see you in the next one.
see you in the next one.